All right, in this video, what we're going to do is we're going to integrate here iContact. So you want to go over to integrations, add integrations, and start typing. And we'll have iContact here. So what this does is you're able to add the contacts to a list through iContact. Before we do this, we need to go get the API from iContact. So what you want to do is go into your account of iContact and go up into your settings and billing. And in here, we are going to want to go right to here, iContact integrations, and then custom API integrations and click create. So now that we have this information, we want to put this on a spreadsheet. What we want to do is set up a spreadsheet kind of like this here. So you know what information is, and all you have to do is come here to copy and paste to put back into AEvent without needing to go into the application. So the first one here is going to be the app ID, which is up here. So we can copy the app ID and put it in. The username is here, and then we have the password, which would go right here, and then you have the account name ID right here, which we put into here. So now that we have all that information that we need, we can now go over into AEvent and integrate it using this information. So now add integration. If you're using more than one account, identify it because it's going to default to iContact all the time. Identify that so you can ID which account you want to use. And then all that information that we just grabbed is going to go back into here. So once all that's there, click on continue, and been successfully added. And as you can see, it is right there that we just created. You can hit test here. And success. So now we are able to now add this into the timelines, which we're going to do in the next video. So if you like this video, thought it was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and like the video. Make sure you click on that notification bell as well. And way there, when we upload other videos, you will be notified so you can check out what is going on here at AEvent and what you can do with your account and other integrations. We will see you in the next video.